Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, Dayflow, and welcome to my vlog today. We'll talk about something we all use every day, multimedia and ICT. So, we talk about multimedia and ICT. So, what is multimedia and ICT? Multimedia and ICT or information and communication technology cover any communication device or application including radio, television, cellular phones, computer and network hardware, and software satellite systems, as well as various services and applications. And what is a multimedia? Multimedia is the use of a computer to present and combine text, graphics, audio, and video with links and tools that let the user navigate, interact, create, and communicate. And so, we talk about importance of multimedia. Multimedia motivates students to learn more language through audio, visual, and animation support. It also helps create English context, since an important aspect of learning a language is developing their grammar, vocabulary, and knowledge of pragmatics and genre. So here are 5 examples of multimedia.
Image multimedia, text multimedia, audio multimedia, video multimedia, interactive context multimedia.
Now, let's talk about information and communication technology. What is the ICT? Information and communication technology is a broader term of information technology, ICT, which refers to all communication technology, wireless networks, economic significance. And so here are examples of ICT or information communication and technology.